بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. So inshallah, I want to explain this first. الله الذي خلق سبع سماوات ومن الأرض مثلهن. Okay, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is the one who created 7 heavens, unlike it, the earth. Okay, so first the Arab and then the tafsir inshallah. So we have here, Jalalayn, he says here, يعني سبع سماوات. So what's he doing? He's saying that the مثلهن, obviously mithl is a what? Harf adat tashbih. So when you have adat tashbih, that means that what is there? There's a tashbih, isn't it? So tashbih has a mushabba bihi yani wajh shabah. So that's where the ikhlaf comes about. What is the wajh shabah? So here he's mentioned the wajh shabah and he says sab'a ardin. That's the wajh shabah, meaning as if he's saying the wajh shabah is what? The number. Just as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made 7 heavens, the earth is like it in which aspect? The sab'a aspect, the number aspect. That's Jalalayn's tafsir. But before we go to other tafsir, let's do the i'rab of this. So one issue here is we have here, this is khalaqa, is fa'al, is a maf'ulun bihi. And then you have min al-ardi mithlahunna. So we have a jar and a majroor. Now, between the ma'atuf alay and the ma'atuf, you have a jar, majroor. That becomes an issue grammatically. So that's why we have a few different possibilities. So one opinion is that the وَمِنَ الْأَرْضِ مِثْلَهُنَّ, that's mansoob of a fa'al mahdhuf. Why? And because why? To avoid having a fasl of a jar majroor between the atf and the ma'tuf, between harf al-atf and the ma'tuf. So we have is a harf al-atf, is the ma'tuf, and what do we have in between? A fasl of the jar and majroor. And he said that's not thing. You got it. So what do you say here? That is خَلَقَ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ وَخَلَقَ مِنَ الْأَرْضِ مِثْلَهُنَّ. That's the Arab. You can have discussions regarding that, pros and cons of that one. So what do you say here? Really? So خَلَقَ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ وَخَلَقَ مِنَ الْأَرْضِ مِثْلَهُنَّ. That's one Arab. The second Arab we have is أَطْفٌ عَلَى سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ. And we say it's not a fasl jar majroor, because the mean is za'idah. So خَلَقَ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ, and this mean is za'idah ta'kid. So really, وَخَلَقَ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ, obviously the purpose of it, but in terms of Arab is za'id. So خَلَقَ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ وَالْأَرْضَ مِثْلَهُنَّ, and this is the not. Are you following? So min al-ard, why is it min there? That's another discussion we had the other day. Is it min it's min za'idah for ta'kid, great emphasis, and from the earth. You following? Or another way you can do it is that the myth. So in both scenarios, it was atf. Yes, but the other possibility is the mithlahunna is a ma'tuf. Are you following? And min al-ard is muqaddam, is a hal muqaddam. Is a hal muqaddam of mithlahunna. Good. So it's two possibilities in Arab. You understand? Okay. So the summary of the Arab is min al-ard mithlahunna is going to be what? If maf'ulun bihi of a fa'al mahdhuf, or it can be atf ala sab'a samawat. When it's atf ala sab'a samawat, there's 2 possibilities. Number 1 is min za'ida, التأكيد, and mithlahunna the na'at. Or the min al-ard is the hal and mithlahunna the ma'tuf. Yes? Okay. Now moving on into the tafsir, when we have the wajh shabah, what is the mithliya? Because Sahib Jalalayn said what? It's a sabah, it's an adad. However, this is the most common one. So what we can say here is an adad. When we say 7, so what means 7 earths? So it's 3 simple ways. You have here muta'addida, munbasita, or mutarakiba. What does muta'addida mean? That 7 in number. So one opinion is sab'a kurat. There are 7 planets. This is how you have planet Earth. We have 7 other planets. Now what is meant by the planets, and what's the, even that obviously then it's for tafsil, there's more detail in that. But it means here is the Earth and there's 7 others like the Earth. Now what we define as, remember, you don't get confused that what we define as a planet or what we define as the Earth is different to other scientific definitions. You follow me? But is it, so one possibility is there's our Earth that we live on, and there's 7 other things like this. What are these 7 other things? Wallahu alam. Abdullah ibn Abbas is a riwayah. I don't know the sahih of this riwayah. He says that like the same way we have a planet Earth, there are other planets with other creation like us. It's mumkin aqlan, but is it thabit shar'an? In the sanad there's questions regarding that. But it's one opinion. And there's 7 other, we don't really haven't come to know. It's mumkin aqlan, isn't it? We haven't come to know about it, we haven't discovered them, no problem. But it's a possibility. So it's either you have 7 other, what? Earth-like planet. But don't look at our planets as what we define as planets and what they define as planets. So it's 7 other possibilities. The other one is Mumbasita. So an Earth doesn't refer to a separate unity, a separate planet, or a separate kura, a separate globe. What's it referring to? 7 pieces of land. They're all spread out. Like what we call roughly continents. You following? So 7 pieces. So the Earth is not. So one is you have 1. Yes. What's meaning 1? And you have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more like this. Yes. 6 more. Okay. Other possibility is you have what? 1 piece of land, and then you got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of land. Yes? And how we count the land masses, then that's different. And again, in 7, it could also be what? Not for adad, but for? What does 7 come for? Takthir. You're following? 7 comes takthir. The third possibility is mutarakiba. What does tarakib mean? One above the other. So what does that mean? This is what Imam Bukhari rahmatullah seems to have chosen. He brings this in. He brings this higher, and under the ayah he brings this hadith. Man dhalama qida shibrin tuwiqahu sab min sabi ardin. Whoever steals a piece of land, then that he will sink into the ground, and that land will be put on his shoulders. So like going downwards. So basically, it's not 7 earths, 7 planets. It's not 7 land masses. But it's what? It's layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like layers. And what's each layer counted as? So we have our scientific layers, we have other layers. And again, the layers can be for 7 or can be for takthir. So 7 possibilities, 3 different possibilities. And Imam Bukhari rahmatullah, he seems to have chosen this possibility. Imam Jalalayn has chosen what? Well, this is 7. He doesn't say the wajh shabah. You follow him? So the first possibility is the mithli is in adad. You got it? Another possibility is the wajh shabah is in adad. What's the possibility? In dalalati khalqiha ala azimi qudratillahi ta'ala. Allah has created 7 heavens. What do 7 heavens show? The heavens are so great, large, massive, celestial bodies. And we also have the earth. And the earth is what? Mithlahunna. Why? Just as great as them. So not necessarily number 7 heavens and 7 earths, but the same way that the skies are massive and great and large, huge creations. We also have what? The earth, planet Earth, which is also an amazing creation. This is what Ibn Ashur has mentioned one possibility. He says here, وَفِي إِفْرَادِ لَفْزِ الْأَرْضِ دُونَ أَن يُؤْتَى بِهِ جَمْعًا. What is the last one? الَّذِي خَلَقَ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ وَمِنَ الْأَرْضِ. His voice is that this is jama'. This is jama' and this is mufrad. So it seems to be a difference. So he's saying that bringing the word singular as the word samawat has been brought is إِذَانًا بِالْإِخْتِلَافِ بَيْنَ حَالَيْهِمَا. So I'm not sure if that's what he means, but I'm just trying to think that he said that look, there's a bit of difference between 2 of them. So it's never a possibility. And Ibn Alusi rahmatullahi alayhi, he's mentioned this possibility, but he said he didn't run on it. He mentioned his opinion, but he goes, it's not that, he doesn't like his opinion. But he does mention it. That some people have said this. وَقِيلَ, when you say qila, it normally means a weaker opinion. الْمِثْلِيَّةُ فِي الْخَلْقِ لَا فِي الْعَدَدِ. It's not in the adad, but what is it in? The khalq. وَلَا فِي غَيْرِهِ فَهِيَ أَرْضٌ وَاحِدَةٌ مَخْلُوقَةٌ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ السَّبْعِ وَأُيِّدَ بِأَنَّ الْأَرْضَ لَمْ تُذْكَرْ فِي الْقُرْآنِ إِلَّا مُوَحَّدًا. They never have ardeen. Have ardeen in hadith, they don't have ardeen in the ardeen or aradeen in the Quran. But then he goes on, he explains, he doesn't like his opinion. There's also one opinion out there. You following? So why is it khilaf? Because mithla is a tashbih. And you have other tashbih, wajh shabah is not mentioned. So then, Imam Bukhari rahmatullah looks at the hadith, and he says that the sab'a ardeen is linked to numbers and mutarakiba. Abdullah ibn Abbas, he says munfarida, separate. But that athar is weak. And then we also have mumbasita. So like a summary again we have here. Mithlahunna, we have shabah. Shabah in adad or shabah in khalq. In shabah in adad is either muta'addida, individual planets or individual earths. And it doesn't mean, again, even if it's individual earth, it doesn't have to mean that people living on that one. Just planets. Since planet Earth is a great creation, we also have other planets. Again, if there's creation on that, Allahu Alam. Okay? Then Mumbasita, then we have Mutarakiba. And then we have Azim al-Khalq, Idham al-Khalq. Do you understand the different possibilities of the verse? Okay. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.